Hello civil engineers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about STAAD Pro analysis. Many people face a problem when they're doing their analysis. There is kind of, I can say, you have to wait, you can wait even 24 hours and the analysis is continuing to run. So there's a question here, someone posted. I'm running analysis which stops working when it's on concrete design. So when I click on analysis, it is stuck on concrete design and the analysis window closes on its own. So I'm going to demonstrate the problem right here, right now. So please watch this video to the end so that we can solve this together. So let us start running our analysis. Alright, so you can see start concrete design and we are stuck, and trust me, if you have experienced this, you know it will not stop. It will continue running. You can sleep, wait, you can go do your things the whole day, come and sleep, watch movie, watch a series. It will not stop running, so it is stuck. So you can see, so basically we know that this analysis usually take just a few seconds. So this one does a problem. So let us give it like 5 minutes, or some few minutes, because I also give value to your time. So I don't want you to watch. So I just want to give you the solution for this problem. Well, not yet. So we are sure this one, of course, it will not work. Okay, so when it can't even abort, so you have to use the task manager. Alright, so let me end task. So why is it that I'm running analysis which stops working when it on concrete design? It's basically because there's an issue with your model. There's a problem with your model. The way you have modeled your structure, you can see, I can show you my 3D view. Basically it means that Staadpro, it's a computer, it's a program, so there's an error or a problem in your modeling. So, and what problem is it? If you can see, everything I've done is okay. Even if I go to my utilities to check if I have multi structures, nothing. Nodes, open nodes, no open nodes, beams, no duplicate, so I have no issue. So what is the problem? The problem is what we call the way I model my slab. I did not actually put the plates. I instead used the floor load. As you can see, when you go to your load, I can show you, instead of just modeling the plates, I used the floor load, and I can show you. You see, I used the floor load, I assigned the floor loads, so both live. So I have not modeled, so it means there's an issue in this model, because now there's a problem with the model, because I have not assigned a master slave. Because the way a slab acts, like it's like connecting several nodes together, so that they are connected to their movement, their motion depend on one node. So if one node moves, the rest of them are going to move, because the slab is stiff, it's a solid. So in this model, that principle is lacking. That's why my analysis is taking too long, because there's an error. So how do we solve it? So basically we solve it by assigning a master slave node. So I will demonstrate. Let me go to my view. So first of all, how do you find the master slave node? You need to find the master slave node when you go to the CG. And I've already uploaded a video on how to find center of gravity for a building, so I'm not going to repeat that. So watch my other video on master slave node. So basically what I know is that the node which is nearest to the center of gravity in my diagram here is this one. So the center of gravity is around there, the CG is around there. I can show you. So let me just show you, no problem. But the analysis will not run, so there is no need, because I need to do the analysis again so that I can show the center of gravity, but my analysis will not run as I have demonstrated. So my center of gravity is around there. So the node which is nearest to the center of gravity is this 101, 141, 180 and 219. So we will assign the master slave node. So I'll go 1, is it 102, right? 102. So there, and then I will add. Now I need to go to the side view, and then I need to select all the nodes. Okay, and then assign to the selected node. Now you can see my 3D view. Now all the nodes are connected to the master slave node. So now this model now is complete, but we have to repeat this in all floors where we have slabs. Okay, so I will go to my second floor. Let me just rotate this, and then if you want to, I can just press Shift L to turn off this. Shift L. So I will go to my specifications, and then I will add another master slave node. I'll go also here, specification, then node, then add master slave node. So now we are going to 141 or 141. Now you remember it is rigid in its own plane, that is the ZX plane, right? So you have to be careful here. Now we can go to the plan view, right? And then we will select that. We pick the node cursor, and then select that, and then we will assign to the selected nodes. So now you can see. Now we'll go to the next node. I already showed you, so no need to repeat. As I said, time is money, and I care about your time, so I have to make the video short. So I go to 180, then redigit in all plane, then add, and then I will go to no, and then add, and then I will assign. Then I will do the same to the top floor. It is now 219, assign, then 219, then rigid in its own plane, add, and then I will pick the node cursor, and then I will assign. Right, I will assign. So you can see. So I will go to the topmost. Let me go to the view. So the node in this floor which is nearest to the center of gravity, it is this node 254. So I will go to the specification node, add master slave, and then 254, because remember where RCG is. But I've said I already uploaded a video demonstrating how you find the CG of a building. So please watch my other video, and please subscribe. I have very good content for you, right? And so I'm going to select load cursor, and then I'm going to assign. Yes. Now we can see the 3D view. Now after doing this, it will solve the problem, because now the model does not have issues. Now the model is 100% acting the way the building should be behaving in practical, in real life, because you know, slab is stiff and it's like holding the beams together. Okay, so the slab is not like a void, it's holding the beams together. So that's how it behaves. It's like you have to assign a diaphragm. Okay, this is like a diaphragm. So that's the way you solve the problem. So now let's save the model, and then let's do our analysis and see if now it will compute it. You can see we have passed concrete design. Okay, we have now solved the problem and go to post processing. Okay, now you can see it has accepted. So that's how you go about it, guys. Thanks a lot. Please subscribe to my channel, right? So after that, now you can go even to RCDC. I uploaded a video where RCDC was taking a lot of time to load. So but I'm sure now it will not be hanging, because the model is now okay. So for those who viewed that video, for the purpose of those who viewed that video, I'm going now to demonstrate how we solve that problem, which my RCDC, it was taking too much time, because my model had an issue. So you see that master slave node is very crucial in Staadpro. You know, if you decided to model slabs in that manner, you know, assigning the flow load. But if you just model in the other way, where you add the plates, then maybe the plates you have just modeled the plates, so there will be that stiffness in the flows. I can already see it's also being very fast. It's not like in the other video I was trying to run the analysis and then fuse them. So that's how we solve the problem. When either RCDC is running or Staad Pro is, you know, taking too long, it means that your model has a problem. So that's why. I think it just take that seconds, just take some few seconds. Then now the model will not take too long. So that's how we solve the problem. So thanks guys, please subscribe to my channel.